Good day, this is Personalizers Incorporated. I am Jessica Mata and I'm going to show to you a quick demo on how to decorate the personalized notebook, our product for the business proposal. So here are the materials. First is the notebook to be decorated. Next are colored paper, ribbons, and some mini flowers for add-on decorations. Next, these are the acrylic paints, highlighters, pastels, and colored pencils, coloring materials also for add-ons. Now, on the first step, we will allow the customer to choose their own design template for the title, and then we apply it to the notebook, just like this. On the second step, we will add add-on decorations here to make the notebook more presentable. We also allow the customer to choose their design. This is our first chosen design. Now for the second step, we will highlight the title using ribbons. Just like this. Adding the ribbons around the borders of the title bar, just like this. Okay. Now, next is the addition of add-on decorations. The first add-on decoration we will add are the mini flowers. We can add them here or here, but we chose to just add it in the corners. Now for the rest of the add-ons, just like the highlighters, we use them to color the black white spaces on the design. Now we accept certain services like reservations, and to make an inquiry, please contact us at 0919-4010-842 or 561-1507, or email us at jacet_24 or nico_cedric@yahoo.com. Thank you for watching the quick demo of Personalizers Incorporated in creating the personalized notebook. We hope you learned something from this quick show. Thank you, and this is Jessica Mata saying goodbye.